In this video, I'm going to show you how to split screen in CapCut PC in a simple beginner-friendly way. This is a great editing technique if you want to show two clips at the same time, compare scenes, create reaction-style videos, or make your edits look more dynamic and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy editing guides. Let's get right into it. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to edit. If you already have a project started, just open it from your recent projects or your saved files. If you're starting fresh, create a new project so you have a clean workspace to work with. Once your project is open, you'll be ready to bring in the clips for your split screen. Next, click on Media in the top panel. This is where you can import the videos you want to use in your split screen layout. Upload both clips into your media library so they're ready to drag into the timeline. Make sure the videos you choose are the right ones because the split screen effect works best when both clips are clearly visible and match the style of the video you're making. Now drag your first video down onto the timeline. This will be your base clip and it will sit on the first track. After that, drag your second video to a track above the first video. This is important because placing the clips on separate tracks lets you layer them and position them side by side instead of one covering the other. Once both clips are on the timeline, you can start building the split screen effect. At this point, select the first video in the preview window. You'll want to resize it so it fits on one side of the screen. Depending on the look you want, you can drag the corners and adjust the position until it sits neatly on the left or right half. Take your time here, because the cleaner your placement is, the better the final split screen will look. If the clip is too large or too small, just keep adjusting until it fills the space properly. Then select the second video and do the same thing. Resize it so it fits on the other side of the screen. You want both videos to sit together without blocking each other, so position this one carefully on the opposite side. Again, use the preview window to fine-tune the placement until the two clips line up nicely and create a balanced split screen layout. If needed, adjust both clips so they are perfectly aligned. You can make one video take the left half and the other take the right half, or you can create a top and bottom split screen if that fits your content better. The key is making sure both clips are visible at the same time and look intentional. You can also move them slightly to improve the composition and make sure no important part of either video gets cut off. After that, check the clip durations. Both videos need to play at the same time for the split screen effect to work properly. If one clip is shorter than the other, trim or extend the clips so they match as closely as possible. This way, your split screen video stays smooth from start to finish, without one side ending too early. Once everything is in place, preview the video to make sure the split screen effect looks right. Watch for spacing, alignment, and timing. If something looks off, go back and make small adjustments until both clips feel synced and polished. Previewing is always worth it because it helps you catch any issues before exporting. When you're happy with the result, click Export in the top right corner. Choose your export settings, save the file, and let CapCut render your finished split screen video. After that, your project will be ready to upload and share. And that's how to split screen in CapCut PC. It's a simple editing trick, but it can instantly make your videos more engaging and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.